How to install precision air conditioner? 1. Duct installation. Be sure to read the precautions listed in the instruction manual before starting work. Required tools, materials, duct for air conditioning, duct band, flange on the housing device side, Phillips screwdriver. Connect one of the duct to the air outlet of this product. Fix the duct with a duct band or the like. Attach the duct on the opposite side to the housing device. Fix the duct with a duct band or the like. Duct installation is complete.